Touchdown is not the end of a flight. It is the start of the part nobody films. Here it comes, mains first, nose held up. Rollout, the airplane is still flying until it is fully stopped and it gets flown that whole time. Braking is smooth and straight. Hard braking on a light airplane is how flat spots happen. Clear of the runway means the whole airplane is past the hold short line, not the nose, all of it. Only then do the after landing items happen. Doing them on the runway is how people miss a radio call. Flaps up, landing light off, transponder set, a small list done in one place. Now taxi. Taxi speed is a fast walk. If you cannot stop, you are going too fast. Eyes outside. The chart on the knee is a backup, not the primary source. Most ground incidents are not dramatic. A wingtip, a fuel truck, a sign that was closer than it looked. Yellow center line for taxiways. Follow it and the wingtips take care of themselves. Arriving on the ramp, the speed comes down again. Ramps are full of people, cables, and airplanes. Line up in the spot, straighten the nose wheel, and stop with the brakes, not the throttle. Then the shutdown flow, avionics off before the engine, so nothing takes a voltage spike. Mixture to idle cutoff, the engine is starved of fuel and stops cleanly. Magnetos off, key out, only now is that propeller safe to be near. Master off, control lock in, then chocks, tie downs, and the door. The flight ends when the airplane is put away.